Hey crypto enthusiast, today we want to talk about one specific coin, and that's DENT. Should we buy it or should we sell it? What I'm doing with DENT, let's check the market.
This video was presented by PEAKDEFI, the DeFi ecosystem to grow your wealth.
Okay, we see here a lot of red coins, a lot of them, but we want to check just one of them, DENT. And we want to know if this is right now a possible chance, or do we take a lot of risks buying him or holding him. Let's check the market. Okay, here we go. We are here on my trading platform where I'm where I analyze the markets, and today we are just talking about the DENTs and about the technical analysis, where we can buy it. And where we can sell it, of course. So we start every time with the daily chart, and we are right now, as you see it right now, we on a difficult spot right now. Right, this one we are trading right on that 0.017, which is all times for my hodling a buy option, right? So you know what I did yesterday. I just bought some DENTs, but I'm holding them longer, right? I'm holding them for one and a half years. So if you're looking for something short term, then stay in here. I will come to that later on. But yeah, for holding him, he's on a good price right now. He could fall down a bit, right? But we have all time think about the risk, right? If he's falling down, let's say to this level, right? 0.01, 11, it's fine. But imagine if we coming back to the 0.008, then we made an 8x, because we just bought nearly 8x. It's around about 6, I guess. But yeah, so you have more reward than risk, and this is all times where I'm looking forward to buy something if I have more reward than risk. So what I'm doing, I'm just buying a partial of my free USDT, some DENT coins, and let them run, right? And if he's falling back to 0.011, right, to this kind of level here, 0.13, then I can buy back as well some coins. But we are on a good spot for buying and holding them for a longer time. This is a good spot. Okay, let's go further down. Obviously, if I day trade the market, right? So I'm checking what's happening in the daily basis, and in the daily basis, for me, the market is obviously absolutely short. So there's nothing about let's go. We can trade him long. You see M15 short, H1 short, and H4 short. Everything is short, and that's why I'm just looking forward for some shorts. And where do I do that? As we saw yesterday, we came every time I said that in the latest videos, we came into that zone where I all times try to shorting it, but I didn't have time, or either better say, there was not actually a good entry where I could buy it. There was one, right? It was not specific with my entry rules, but it would be possible to enter here. So you see here, we made a new high, so people could think about buying it, but I would be the person, because we see here an SKS, and here you could sell the thing. Here it would be possible to sell it. You had your stops either here or either there, and then you could just let it run. Then we can check if we entered here. Let's say we had our stop on the higher upside. We all times going for one to one first. The first thing we want to do, right? So the one-on-one was already here. So it was really quick. On our move down, we already made the one-on-one, and yeah, obviously you see, if you hold it, then you could make even more. What I'm looking right now, because you see we didn't make a lower low on the H1. Let me open the H1. So I will be careful as well to shorting it, because it might happen that we see something like that right now. We didn't make a newer lower low, so he can go up here, doing something like that, and then going up. But what I think will more happen is like, see something like that, and we see something like that, and then he's doing maybe something like that and going down further. This is just for my daily trend analysis, because I don't have to predict the long-term market, and I also don't have to get confused with my long-term market analysis, because I want to go up with this coin because I'm holding it, right, for a longer term. So I want him to going up. But I also make money if the market is not going up and going down. So that's why I don't care about what is on my holdings and what I'm holding for a longer term. I'm just looking here for my short term, and I don't get confused by my long term analysis. So in this case, he could go up and make a little movement side by side and then going down. But yeah, this looks for me a little bit too clungy. Like maybe we will have a little range beside this level here. This is an interesting level, and this is an interesting level. So and I don't like to trade in a range, right? I'm a trend following guy, so I'm just following the trend. Yes, the trend is short, but it's not an environment where I would say, okay, I'm trade this thing right now. I mean, there are a lot of coins I can trade, right? So don't pick the weakest one. But still, if he's getting me still a signal right now, like if he's going down and he's giving me an arrow with not a yellow candle. Yellow means there's no volatility. I want a purple or a red candle. Then I'm fine. But you see, they're coming some blue candles in, which means there's some buy volatility. So I don't want to get into it. The market right now is for me flat. I'm waiting. Either he's moving up then 0.0018, or below 0.0015. Besides that, I'm out of the market. I made some buys on 0.0016. That's what I mentioned as well yesterday in my video. So yeah, just holding them for longer term. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I hope you don't miss any money, don't lose any money, and have a great day. Bye.